Daniel managed every dollar, and everyone believed the system was working.
He closed registers, counted the safe, wrote checks, and updated the ledger.
That concentration of duties left no independent person to notice missing cash. Small shortages appeared, but Daniel's records made each day seem balanced. Maya compared deposits with sales and found a troubling pattern. The lesson was not distrust, but verification built into daily routines. First, one employee closes registers while another reviews the totals. Next, a different person counts the safe and documents the handoff. Check writing and ledger entries belong with separate reviewers too. When Maya confronted Daniel, the missing money was finally acknowledged. Her restaurant recovered because trust now worked alongside clear verification.